Water identification and maintenance. Water is a transparent substance which is odorless, colorless, and tasteless. A well, a bore well, and a tap. And there is a slight difference in the taste of all three. Why is that so? To help Seema out in this confusion, our handy skill brigade arrived. They first explained to her about the sources of water, its uses, and classification based on its properties. Often, various chemicals and minerals are mixed in water. Based on the different types of minerals present in it, water can be classified as hard water and soft water. Classification of water. Hard water. Water from sources like lakes, ponds, rivers, canals, and wells contains high amounts of minerals such as calcium and magnesium, making it hard. However, in appropriate amounts, calcium and magnesium are beneficial. According to WHO, if the amount of calcium and magnesium salts in water exceeds 60 mg per liter, it is considered hard water. Soft water. It has lesser amounts of calcium and magnesium compared to hard water. This makes it soft and more convenient for use compared to hard water. According to WHO, if the amount of calcium and magnesium salts is below 60 mg per liter, it is considered soft water. The primary sources of soft water are rainwater, melted snow, etc. Seema mentioned that water comes from multiple sources in her house and asked how one can identify which is hard and which is soft. Is there any way to find out? The Handy Skill Brigade girls told her about the soap test. In a small vessel, fill the water you want to test. Add detergent or liquid soap in it and shake it well. If the water is hard, then less foam will be formed. This is because hard water contains high amounts of minerals like calcium and magnesium. These form insoluble salts as soon as they come in contact with soap. But soft water forms foam easily due to its lower mineral content. Hence, just by observing the amount of foam, one can distinguish between hard and soft water. This is fine, but nowadays water contains so many impurities. How can we purify it? Asked Seema. The Handy Skill Brigade girls then shared some methods for water purification. Sedimentation. Let drinking water sit undisturbed in a container for some time. This allows some impurities to settle at the bottom. This process is called sedimentation. Alternatively, filtering water through a muslin or cotton cloth helps remove large impurities like stones or dirt particles. Boiling. By this simple method, the age-old question of water purification has been solved. When we boil water due to high temperatures, pathogens are destroyed. Boiling water on low flame for 5 to 10 minutes also removes some chemical contaminants to some extent. Sunlight. The most natural way to purify water is using sunlight, which is one of the most powerful disinfectants. In this method, water is kept in a clean container and placed in direct sunlight for at least 6 hours. Solar radiation ensures that most pathogens in the water are destroyed. Dirty water is the root cause of many diseases. Hence, purifying it before use is very important. Seema has learnt this from the Handy Skill Brigade. You should also use these methods in your daily life.